Whoa! That was awesome. Yeah, cool. I've had 2 breast reduction surgeries.
Okay.
I was like this for 26 years of my life. Yep. That is exactly why I came.
Wow.
Yay.
It's good stuff.
Beautiful, yes.
Good.
Oh, yes. That was perfect.
There we go.
Woo. Whoa! That was awesome. Yeah, cool.
Fireworks on that one.
Right? That feels amazing.
Good. Nice.
Oh my god. Wow. I felt like I just undid years of tension in one. Wow. Perfect.
Feels nice, right?
That's so perfect, yeah.
Feel free to move around a little bit. Let me know how you
It
feel.
feels great. I feel like it actually feels open quite literally from like the crown of my head through all the way down.